Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook delicious air fried pork rib. It is very easy. Most importantly, it's delicious and children will enjoy it too. For the ingredients I have 700 grams of pork baby back ribs cut into 4 inches length, 100 grams of shallots sliced, 1/3 of a cup of oil for deep frying, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of ground white pepper, some bird eye chilies and cilantro leaves for garnishing. These are optional. We are going to start with marinating the pork ribs. Now we are going to spread the seasoning over the ribs. Sprinkle all the salt. For this recipe, I use baby back rib as it's soft with a bit of fat and cartilage that can be enjoyed. Onion powder, paprika powder, and pepper. Now marinate by tossing with our hands to ensure that all the ribs are well coated. Cover it and set aside for 15 minutes. If you have time, it can be left in the fridge for 2 hours. It will taste even better. While waiting for the ribs to marinate, we are going to fry the shallots. Switch on the heat, add in all cooking oil. Wait for 2 minutes for the oil to get really hot. To check if oil is hot enough, put in just a small piece of shallots in the oil. If it is sizzling immediately, then oil is ready. We are going to put the rest of the sliced shallot into the hot oil. Try to spread it all over the oil. Keep stirring until the shallots are cooked and slightly golden brown. When the shallots is caramelized, we will remove it from the heat and take it out. Switch off the heat. Strain all the shallots through the strainer. We will be using the shallots for this dish, but the oil can be kept and used for another dish as well. Now we have a nice golden brown fried shallot. The residual heat will continue to cook the shallots until perfectly brown and crispy. Spread it over the netting to allow the shallots to cool down and become crispy. Put it aside. After 15 minutes, the ribs have finished marinating. We are going to cook it in the air fryer. Lay the ribs in the air fryers and arrange the ribs nicely so that it can be fried at once. In this case, I'm putting the ribs upright so that I fry them all in one go. Slightly more can be added, but allow some gap for air ventilation inside so the rib can be cooked evenly. Adjust the temperature to 160 C or 320 F for 27 minutes. At the last 10 minutes, turn off the switch and open the air fryer. Wow, nice and golden brown. These ribs are about 90% cooked. Turn them to cook evenly and to turn crispy golden brown. Use the metal turner to separate the ribs that are stuck at the bottom. Be careful, try not to break or smash the ribs. Once separated, we will arrange it nicely and put them back in the air fryer. Continue to cook until the time is up. Time's up. Let's take the ribs out. Wow, golden brown and really fragrant. This is best served while it's still hot. Arrange the rib on the serving plate. Sprinkle the crispy fried shallots over it. And toppings such as fresh cilantro or chopped spring onions and serve. See, the pork ribs are juicy and cooked perfectly. It should be lovely and tender too. Let's eat. Yummy. It is tasty, tender, juicy, and fragrant. Really good. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the fried pork ribs recipe, please share it and subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye-bye.